Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Okay, so I found out this weekend that like 2 of my jewelry holders, Doom Pile, these sold already. So I have one left. I got one left. And I found this. It is one of the post ones. And I'll never use it. I will literally never use this drawer pull because it is a post one. And it says number 16 green table, $39, which makes sense that I bought that. I bought it. I bought a table at Pickett. Probably redid it. I don't remember. It's been a while. It's been a hot second since this has been in my inventory. And removed this knob because I hate this knob. I don't know what I put on it, but I don't have a green table anymore, so it must have sold. Is it the one I took to the Junk Bonanza? That was a great table. Yeah, my coffee. So I am going to use this as a jewelry holder. Now, the debate in my brain is, do I paint it another color other than white? And I'm like, just go with the white. So I went back and forth in my brain and finally just went, stop, just stop. So the process is going to be the same. We are going to sand down the rosette and drill a hole in it. And that's it. I mean, it's not a huge, sexy project, but it's making me money. So I put $12 on them, and they both sold. Both of the ones I took into Vintage Junkie sold over the weekend. So I think must be a fair price, right? We're gonna go with $12. And since this came in a package of like 12 of them, and they were $1 a piece, that means, you know, I sold one and paid for all of these. And all of these were leftovers from other projects, so they didn't cost me anything because all those handles. Ugh, I know I did not buy those handles. I wouldn't have. I don't know where they came from. I still think I had bought a dresser. Yeah, I want to say it was back when my mom was alive. I had bought a dresser and it had handles like that on it and some in the drawers. And I think that's where they came from. At least that's what my memory of it is. It's been a long time, guys. God, I've been doing this forever. Forever. Could have been before I even started the channel. Because I had my booth long before I had the channel. And I did a lot of projects, y'all. A lot of projects. A lot. So I'm going to get this sanded up, painted, drilled, and we will have a green one for a little change up because I don't have another fancy glass one, but I got this one and I don't want it. I don't want to have this one. So let's make it go away. There'll be one less thing in the doom pile. It'll finish off the rosettes, finish off these icky handles. At least I hope so. There could be some more in there in that handle. This one has a crack in it. Well, you just had to be different, didn't you? You know what? I think I gotta fill that. You gotta be different. I gotta do that. I don't want to see a crack in it, so I'm gonna just fill the crack. It's not breaking off, but it does have a crack in it, and it is mobile. Oh, shoot. Yeah, I just got a sliver. No. Okay. Anyway, let's wait for that to dry. And then we'll give her a good sanding, painting, and she'll be out the door like the rest of them and actually making me money. And I'm like, I'm getting shelf space back. I don't even know how to handle this. It's crazy. It's nice though. It's so nice. I'm going to get through these projects, darn it, this year. And it is painted. I'm so excited that this is going to be my last one, but that means I'm going to have my husband loan me his tools again. I need to cut this shorter. It's clearly too long. Yeah, I just like a frog. I don't know. We'll see after I drill it out, but we're going to let that dry now. Let's drill it. Let's get our paddle bit out. Did I have it out and ready? No, of course not. But I know where it is because I've been straightening up. I'm gonna go with 5/8 this time. That's a paddle bit. To drill out the back. Be careful not to go out the front, Stacy. A little bit. A little bit more. Okay. I think that's good. It just gives us a little pocket for this nut to go into. And again, we don't want to drill the front out too wide because that would not be good. Then we got all kinds of problems. Wait, is this supposed to come off? Hello? Okay, apparently not. Good. It's still small enough in the front that I have to screw it in. That's a good sign. Okay. Cute. Clearly it needs to be trimmed off. But my husband's still asleep, so that's going to take a minute. But there we go. I feel like it needs another coat of paint. Seems a little streaky. Yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm going to give it another coat of paint because if you look, I could see streaks here and I don't want it to be streaky, but I think the green's cute. I mean, this would have been a cute knob if they had not done the post thing. That's my only complaint about, not Dollar Tree. Oh boy. Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree might as well be the same place, right? Go. Hobby Lobby's handles are all the same. They're all this post, and it's the cheapest way I'm sure they could do it, whoever manufactures them, but it's the worst way as far as your clothing goes or your drawers. Things get stuck on it. It's just the worst. And it's not functional in my opinion. And I can have my opinion, and I'm going to. Let's get another coat of paint on there. I'm sure there's somebody out there who's going to be like, I use them all the time and my pieces sell. I do just fine with it. I'm sure you do. I'm sure you do. I'm just saying, living with it, I would not want to live with it. Get out of the way. I am going to use this brush. I like this brush. I don't know. I feel functionality has lost its place. Like everybody's all about, oh, it looks cool. So we're gonna create this thing that looks cool. It's like, well, yeah, it looks cool until you put it in your lingerie drawer and you got a snag in your freaking $200 bra, you know? I mean, I don't like it anymore. I don't think it's cute anymore. So, I mean, form and function have to go together. Like, I am countersinking this thing so that it's not going to scratch a wall, because that's just, it might be cute, but if it puts a hole in your wall, is it really that cute? Not really. All right, I'll let that dry. Okay, it's done, but it has to be cut off because, you know, I gotta wait for my husband to do that, and who knows how long that will take. So I'm not holding the video up for him. So, you know, he'll trim it off before I put a price tag on it, but it is done. Even better, he'll let me use his tools. But it's done. It's pretty. I like the green. I do like the green. I hate these for all the reasons I said, but I still like the green. So the green with the white, not so bad. Not so bad. I like it. Now we are done with the rosettes. Why do I feel like crying? Seems so silly. It's like, I finished it. I used all of it. Because I bought it so long ago. You guys. Victoria was little when I bought those. And they've been in my garage. And I moved them and moved them and moved them. And I think at one point the OG had used a couple of them. And I kept thinking I was going to get to using them for a project similar to this. So the fact that it took me so many years, it feels really good. It feels really good. Because there's been a lot of shame involved in the amount of stuff that I have that I bought that didn't get finished. I mean, I look at things and I kind of get sick to my stomach and I feel ashamed. It's like, oh, I should just not bought it. I don't know when I'm going to get to it. I don't know when I'm going to get to it. Well, I'm no longer putting it off. I'm going to get to it. I'm going to get to it now. And I feel good. But yeah, there was a little amount of shame involved in seeing pieces that I'm like, I just need to get that done. I just need to get that done. And they never got done. But here we are. And all the rosettes are gone. And all these freaking handles are gone. And now I don't have to be ashamed anymore. And I appreciate you guys going along with me for this, you know, doom pile. We're going to kick it this year. I don't even know how to say it, but we're going to kick it. There's a box over in the corner that my eyes keep going to when I'm talking, because my camera is like literally at the same level as this box, and I don't know what's in it. So that's part of my process of, I'm going to have to open that, and I'm going to have to figure out what's in it and what I plan to do with it, because everything in here was put in here because it needed to get something done. Like something had to be repaired, cleaned, you know, there's a multitude of reasons that things are in here. So I look at that box and my eyes keep trailing over there, and I'm like, yeah, you've literally lost the plot on whatever's in that box. Like, it has been there so long, I don't know what's in it. So there's a lot in here, and I'm going to slowly work through it. We're going to get through it. You guys have been very inspirational. The fact that you're with me when I do this seems to help. Like, I feel like if I'm doing it for the channel, sort of like the gardening thing that I was talking about, like if I'm going to do it, I'm going to have to do it on camera so that I feel like there's someone holding me accountable. Because when you're self-employed, literally no one holds you accountable. You are the boss. Well, I need to be accountable. So I'm like, in my mind, I've made the statement that we're going to get through this doom pile. And here we are. We're getting through it. But there are some projects coming up that I'm like, I don't know if I want to do anything. It'll be okay. It'll be okay, Stacy. I promise. I have another box over there that I keep looking at. I'm like, I don't want to do that one. Like, ah! Does anybody else walk into their shop and go, like it's going to jump out and tackle me? Is that thunder? Oh, we have rain here right now. It's gone from snow to rain in a week. So anyway, that's it. This is me for the day. Thanks for watching. Happy junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.